Attorneys are getting closer to seating a jury in the Nouman Raja trial. Today, jury selection continued for the former Palm Beach Gardens police officer accused of shooting and killing Corey Jones in 2015. News Channel 5's Michelle Casada live with what the attorneys asked today to decide who leaves and who may stay. Michelle?
Well, good evening, Kelly. As I speak right now, the attorneys for both the state and defendant Nouman Raja are cross-striking jurors and alternates and trying to decide who will be seated on the jury panel. The judge expects those jurors to be sworn in today before they leave. Now, this all comes at the end of a long day of questioning from both sides.
The jury pool Monday started at nearly 80 jurors, and from that group, the attorneys started weeding out anyone with a bias or prejudice.
We all have our experiences.
Jurors were asked if when they heard Corey Jones was a black man who was shot and killed by a police officer, if it made them feel he did something wrong.
To me, a cop's gun doesn't come out for no reason.
My initial thought was, oh, here we go again. Another black guy got shot, and it's not that he wouldn't have done, he did something wrong. It's why all of a sudden is this happening again?
A teacher sitting in the jury pool questioned why is race the center of the focus.
Without offending anybody, one kid is dead and the police officer is shot. I think that's what we are here to do and to find out what happened. Not because he was black.
People have a tendency to make judgments.
But are you making a judgment just telling us that he was black, Because I did have students that were black, and there were a few of the best ones I had. I have a Scandinavian one, was terrible. And but I'm not saying the Scandinavian,
You heard there the state likely setting the tone and gauging what the jurors feel about race to likely bring this up again later in opening arguments tomorrow. Now, new at 6, more from what the defense had to ask jurors. And do we have a seated jury? We'll have that coming up in 1 hour. Reporting live from the Palm Beach County Courthouse, Michelle Casada, WPTV News Channel 5.